Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active VPN subscription, a device that supports WireGuard or OpenVPN, and permission to access the target country. Install the official client or configure a router profile so all traffic routes correctly. Once installed, log in and select the country server you need. This immediately gives you an IP from that region. Make sure to enable kill switch and DNS leak protection, so your machine learning endpoints only see the intended country IP address and consistent routing. Next, configure the connection. Pick a fast protocol like WireGuard for throughput and low latency, bind the client to a specific network adapter, and store credentials securely. If you need better performance or local access, enable split tunneling so only ML traffic uses the VPN while other apps use your LAN. Once configured, test by checking the public IP, running trace routes, and verifying access to country-restricted services. If latency spikes, switch servers or adjust MTU to stabilize transfers for training and inference. Finally, automate and harden the setup. Create system services or scripts to reconnect on reboot and rotate keys or tokens for long ML jobs. Monitor bandwidth, packet loss, and VPN logs. Consistent metrics prevent interrupted training runs. If a service blocks your VPN IP, try a different server in the same country, clear DNS and browser caches, and re-authenticate. If problems persist, capture logs and contact your VPN provider. Explain the blocked endpoints and ask for recommended exit nodes or whitelisting to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.